The world is a book, and those who don't travel read only one page. But what happens when those pages start to fade? What happens when the very act of turning a page threatens to tear it apart? We travel to explore new cultures, witness breathtaking landscapes, and taste exotic flavors. But our wanderlust shouldn't come at the cost of the planet. That's where sustainable tourism steps in, a way to explore our world while protecting it for generations to come. Imagine a world where travel leaves a positive footprint, where exploration and conservation walk hand in hand. That's the promise of sustainable tourism. It's about more than just ticking off destinations on a bucket list. It's about treading lightly and leaving a positive impact on the places we visit and the people who call them home. Sustainable tourism is a bit like that well-worn compass guiding us towards responsible exploration. It's about minimizing our negative impact and maximizing the positive contributions we can make to the environment, economy, and communities we encounter during our travels. Think of it this way. It's about ensuring that the bustling markets, pristine beaches, and ancient ruins we marvel at today are still there for our children and grandchildren to experience tomorrow. It's about respecting local cultures and traditions, supporting local businesses, and protecting natural resources. It's about ensuring that tourism benefits everyone, not just a select few. From the sun-drenched beaches of Bali to the snow-capped peaks of the Alps, sustainable tourism is taking root around the globe. Hotels are adopting energy-efficient practices, tour operators are offering eco-friendly excursions, and travelers are becoming more conscious of their choices. Imagine this, cycling through the Netherlands, windmills whirring gently in the background, or kayaking through the pristine fjords of Norway, the only sound the gentle splash of your paddle. These are just a few examples of sustainable tourism in action. Choosing locally owned accommodations, supporting businesses that prioritize fair wages and working conditions, and opting for reusable water bottles and eco-friendly toiletries are small but significant steps towards sustainable travel. Showcasing sustainability through a cinematic lens, envision breathtaking aerial views capturing the vastness and biodiversity of the Amazon rainforest. Picture a time-lapse capturing the slow, steady growth of a coral reef, showcasing the positive impact of sustainable tourism practices. Visual storytelling has the power to transport us to far-off lands and immerse us in different cultures. But it can also be a powerful tool for promoting sustainable tourism. Through breathtaking cinematography, we can showcase the beauty of our planet and the importance of preserving it. By highlighting both the challenges and successes of sustainable tourism, we can inspire viewers to become more responsible travelers. Numbers may seem dry and impersonal, but in sustainability, they reveal a powerful story. Visualizing data helps uncover the true impact behind the numbers. Imagine a dynamic graphic illustrating the decrease in carbon emissions from eco-friendly accommodations, or a chart showing the growth of local economies thanks to sustainable tourism initiatives. Data visualization can make these statistics more engaging and relatable. It can help us understand the impact of our choices and inspire us to make more sustainable ones. By presenting data in a visually appealing and easy-to-understand way, we can empower travelers to make informed decisions that benefit both the planet and the communities they visit. A sustainable future for travel. Shaping the future of tourism is our responsibility. It's up to us to choose sustainable options, to tread lightly, and to leave a positive impact on the places we visit. Remember, every journey, no matter how big or small, has the power to make a difference. By embracing sustainable tourism, we're not just preserving destinations, we're preserving the very essence of travel, the thrill of discovery, the joy of cultural exchange, and the wonder of experiencing the natural world in all its glory. Let's ensure that future generations can experience the same awe and wonder that we feel when we explore our incredible planet. Let's make sustainable tourism the norm, not the exception. After all, we're not just visitors on this earth, we're caretakers of its future.